Hello friends, this is Adhika Valari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, I will give you a question. So here, let's make another file, question2.py. Okay. So here, guys, as in my last video, I taught you some methods of strings. As you remember, these were some methods, and I taught you a method called count, right? So, as Python is case sensitive language, that's why the case in which we pass the parameter, it will search for the letter in that case only. Okay, so as I passed here a in small case, in lowercase, so it will search for lowercase letters only. But in this question, I want the method to function as case insensitive. Suppose if I make a variable here, name, and pass here Adrika, okay, Adrika, and here if I write print name dot count to be a, so it should not return me 1, it should return me 2. Let me show it to you. As you can see here, it is returning 1, right? But I want it to return 2 as there are 2 A's in my string, as you can see here. So hope I made myself clear. See you soon in my next video guys with the solution of this question.